Congratulations on ordering your Fig Health screen and investing in yourself. In this video, we will walk you through collecting your sample. We recommend doing this in the morning on Monday through to Friday so we can get your sample to the lab on time. And it's a good idea to drink at least 2 glasses of water 30 minutes beforehand. Now let's get you set up. Take out all the items from inside the box and lay them out. You should have 2 gauze pads, 3 alcohol swabs, 3 band-aids, 3 finger prick lancets, 1 test tube and 1 test tube label, 1 test tube holder, 1 lab request form, and 1 sample return bag. Next, remove all jewelry and wash your hands. Take the test tube, remove the cap, and place it standing up in the holder. Unwrap 1 gauze pad, 1 alcohol swab, and 1 band-aid and set them all aside. Next, we need to get your heart rate up. The better your blood flow, the quicker and easier this process will be. We recommend doing 1 minute of jumping jacks. Then you'll want to soak your hand in a bowl of warm water for 3 minutes. It's important that your hand is warm to the touch. Select the finger that you'll want to use. We recommend the 3rd or 4th finger of your non-writing hand. Identify a spot near the tip of the finger and a little off to one side. Clean that spot with an alcohol swab and let it air dry. Take the lancet, hold the white part, and twist off the cap. Holding the white part of the lancet between your thumb and middle finger, place the open end on the spot that you just cleaned. Push the lancet firmly down against your finger until you hear a click. Wipe away the first drop of blood with the gauze pad. Massage down your hand firmly, starting from the palm all the way to the end of your finger, making sure not to squeeze on the piercing. It helps to stand. Gravity is your friend. Fill the tube to the top line where it says 0.8 milliliters. Once filled, apply pressure to the finger with the alcohol swab and put on the band-aid. If you don't fill the tube after using your first lancet, repeat the whole process with a new lancet and a different finger. You can contact customer service anytime on the number listed below. Once filled, put the cap on the filled tube and ensure it is shut firmly. Then gently invert the tube 10 times. It's important that you don't shake the tube. Fill in the lab request form and the test tube label, and apply the label around the tube. Place the tube and form inside the sample return bag. Then scan the QR code below to arrange sample pickup. And that's it. You did great. Now you can sit back and relax. Congratulations on investing in your reproductive health and well-being, and thanks for choosing Fig Health to be your guide.